Hello viewers, today I discuss the three-phase manual changeover switching wiring diagram. First, electric pole three-phase line or energy meter three-phase or MDB. MDB total information. My channel, visit the video. Or changeover, manual changeover, up and down changeover, or motor controller means star or delta connection controller box or three-phase motor or generator, supply from generator. First phase rate input, second yellow phase input, third blue phase input, energy meter or neutral input. Outgoing phase MDB, red phase, yellow phase MDB connection, blue phase MDB connection or neutral bar MDB connection. Three-phase motor run the neutral node use. MDB2 changeover connection, first red, second yellow or third blue connection. Changeover, changing coil up and down, change over up coil, up a short or down a short line. Changeover up and down terminal short, up and down yellow short or blue short. Common. Up main power supply means DB connection or electric pole connection, up a or down generator supply. Common input motor controller box, red, yellow or blue input. Motor controller to motor connection phase yellow or blue. Motor section is complete, outgoing outlet connection complete, input electric pole input changeover connection complete or generator line input changeover down connection, first red, second yellow, third blue connection. Incoming changeover, incoming generator or electric pole connection, up manually, up and down control, up electric pole connection, down generator connection. Generator or electric pole connection manually motor control. Motor up connection, motor running electric pole line connection, motor run or manually down generator line motor on. Manually up electric pole motor run or down motor running to generator.